Hello everyone! If you can see these types of bottles in our daily life, do you know how these bottles be produced? Now, let's follow me to disclose the production process. Hi Jenny!
Hi, Alan.
Nice to meet you!
Nice to meet you.
How these types of bottles is made? I have many friends are interested in.
Okay, this will be interesting for you.
Today we are helping our customer testing this model machine. This model machine can produce 1 liter to 5 liter bottles. This machine will be sent to Africa, Burkina Faso. This model machine designed with single dead head and double station. The clamping system, we use travel arm clamping system with big clamping force. This model machine plastic system, we use 18mm screw. The plastic sealing capacity can up to 120 kilograms. This model machine is 1 kilometer type with good price and good quality. Production 5 liter zero tank. The production capacity can up to 150 pieces to 200 pieces per hour. The exempted capacity depends on the weight of the gelatin unit to produce. If you are also interested in our machine, welcome to contact with us anytime.